Hello, dear community. Welcome to my new channel, where we analyze and test trading robots to discover whether they are truly profitable or just hype. In each video, I share my screen with you, test different robots in real time, perform visual backtesting, teach you tricks and strategies to make it practical, and explore the parameters of their strategy. Plus, if you stick around until the end, I'll have a special gift for you that I'm sure you'll love. Today, I bring you a very interesting robot I've been testing on both demo and live accounts. Its name is XAUUSD-Gold-Breakouts-Free version. Do you think it will be profitable in the long term, or just another ordinary bot? Let's find out together. Stay until the end because I'll tell you everything you need to know, no tricks, no hidden agenda. Let's get started. The robot we'll analyze today is called XAUUSD-Gold-Breakouts-Free version. From what I've observed, this robot uses entries based on pullbacks and breakouts created on small timeframes, mainly on M5. It's designed to trade on XAUUSD, but my first recommendation is always to test different assets and timeframes. For example, I've tested it on XAUUSD, but that doesn't mean you can't find another asset that works better with this system. Now, let's see how to set it up and what parameters can be adjusted to personalize its strategy according to your needs. Step 1, Configuration. 1. Download and apply the robot. Go to the Expert Advisors menu, select the robot, and drag it onto the chart. 2. Set the basic parameters. Without getting too technical, let's discuss some of the system's parameters. Although it may look complex, it's actually easy to use with proper guidance. Session times. By default, the robot operates only from 13 to 1400 hours and 11 to 12 o'clock, targeting high volatility periods, like the American session. You can adjust this, but I recommend keeping it as is for now. Lot sizes and risk parameters. You can configure the lot size, entry points, trailing stop, take profit, and stop loss. Other parameters aren't as critical, but as I mentioned earlier, experimenting with different settings is key. Poor configuration can be the difference between profit and loss. Step 2, Backtesting. Now comes the exciting part, testing the robot with historical data to see how it would have performed in the past. I have many strategies and recommendations to help you run backtests effectively. I'll share new tips in each video, so don't miss out. Subscribe and turn on notifications. 1. Select the time period. For this test, I'll choose a date range from January 2023 to today. I always recommend a minimum of 2 years for backtesting. Anything less may result in random outcomes or mere luck. A 2-year period ensures that the system shows consistent results over 24 months and increases the likelihood of future profitability. 2. Testing mode. Since this system mostly opens trades at the close of new candles, I'll run the backtest using the open prices mode for better realism. 3. Run the backtest. Open the strategy tester in MetaTrader 4, select visual mode, and watch the robot in action. This will help us understand its strategy and how it functions. While the backtest is running, we can observe how the robot makes entry and exit decisions, its consistency in trending and ranging markets, whether it respects the set risk parameters, any periods where it struggles or remains neutral. The key is to run multiple tests and then try it on a demo account. Step 3, Final Analysis and Conclusion. After analyzing the robot and observing its backtest performance, here are my final thoughts. The main value of this channel is transparency. I'll give you my honest opinion, whether it's good or bad, to help you decide if this system is worth using or if you should move on to another one. Strengths asterisk. The robot is highly effective in trending markets. It respects stop loss and take profit levels well. It has maintained a very low drawdown for the selected lot size, with no significant losing streaks. Weaknesses. The lack of a built-in news filter means you'll need to manually pause it during macroeconomic news events to avoid unnecessary risks. Final verdict. This is a solid system for medium to long-term use. Its entries are logical, its risk level is low, and it offers various adjustable parameters. However, as I mentioned earlier, I've only tested it on one asset in time frame. I encourage you to try it on different assets and run it on a demo account for several months while monitoring daily results. In future videos, I'll share updates on how this system performs on my personal accounts. If it continues to succeed, I'll let you know, and if it starts to fail, I'll be honest about that too. Transparency with you is my top priority. And that's it for today, dear community. I hope this analysis has helped you understand how this trading robot works and whether it's worth trying. Always conduct your own backtests and never trade with real money without first testing on a demo account. As promised, here's your gift, a direct link to the system's free download in one of my presets so you can test it right away. You'll find the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because we'll continue testing more robots, sharing strategies, and helping you improve your trading journey. Leave a comment letting me know which robot you'd like us to analyze next, and as always, protect your capital, trade wisely, and keep learning. See you in the next video, traders.